we are mid-December in Poland, and let me tell you, it's not winter yet, but it sure isn't autumn anymore either. It's that glorious mix of cold, wet and slippery that makes you question all your life choices. Naturally, this kind of weather had me thinking, it's time to get outside and cook some food. Why, you ask? I've recently fallen head over heels for my Honda X-ADV, and for the past couple of years I've been watching those Moto cooking and camping videos on YouTube. You know, the ones where people whip up gourmet meal in the middle of nowhere, all while looking effortlessly cool. So I thought, why not give it a go? I even picked up some budget cooking gear. Seriously, this stuff feels like it came out of a vending machine. But hey, it's not about the price tag, it's about the experience, right? Tonight's menu, the finest discount soba noodles paired with a can of tuna. Michelin star chefs, brace yourselves. Now let me set the record straight. This isn't one of those dreamy DSLR filmed high production volume videos where anything is perfect and Instagram ready. No, this is raw, real and probably a little chaotic. I'm here to figure out what this Moto cooking hype is all about. Along the way, I'll learn a thing or two about cooking efficiency, gear setup and possibly how not to ruin a meal outdoors. So here's the deal. If you've got Moto cooking tips, tricks or just want to roast me for boiling water the wrong way, hit me up in the comments. No mercy please. Let's make this as fun and maybe as educational as possible. Hit me! That's very good. So I've actually watched a couple of ASMR videos, people who are going and camping and they make very fancy food while camping. I don't think you have to do something as fancy as they do. It's a matter of just simple ingredients like tuna fish, but choose the one in oil so you don't have to take another oil, extra oil with you. And it's actually, the flavor is actually very much spicy. You don't have to add anything like salt, pepper, whatever. And then I've chosen the soba macaron, soba pasta. It's not pasta, I guess, but yeah, only because it's you can do it in a couple of minutes. So we'll boil the water, put it in there for like 4 or 5 minutes, and it's done. Right? It's fast. So essentially, I guess it's all about how fast you can cook when you're camping, or just like me when you're stopping somewhere in the middle of nowhere and you want to eat something cold, something warm, I'm sorry, something hot actually. It's because it's the middle of December here in Poland and it's freaking cold, but not that cold. It's plus 4 degrees, there's no snow, it's wet so it's slippery, but yeah, it's good. I will keep eating it because it's getting cold fast. Yeah, and it's raining again.
Well, so I thought that I would have enough fuel to make a hot tea, but I can see how I got through 3 quarters of the whole fuel I had, so 1/4 of the fuel won't be able to heat up I don't know, 200 milliliters of water. So maybe next time I'll think of a better solution, because if you think about this, you can actually boil half a liter of water using this, then spare 200 milliliters to make a tea, and then use the left 300 milliliters for the pasta to make it, and that would be, I guess, more efficient. But I didn't do it like that. Maybe next time. Cheers. Yeah, you know what? I'm kind of done here. Heading back home to warm myself up. Yeah, there's the bike, and it's raining.